What's up, everybody? Kyle Evans from the Kyle Evans Real Estate Channel. Today I got another new video for you. We've been dropping daily videos. This one is how to make sure you find the right real estate agent. Whether you're selling your house or buying a new house, you want to make sure that you're getting a good agent. So for those of you who are watching this video not in my area, I want to help make sure that you are educated so you're finding the right agent when you're working with somebody in your area. And that's something that I could also help with. No matter where you are in the United States, we have a relocation department where I could connect you with a vetted, well-trained agent in your area to work with. So if you don't live in the area and you want me to help you out, reach out to me, comment, or email me at kyle.evans@huntrealestate.com. And for those of you in the area watching this video, I'd hope you'd work with me, but if you're not, it's just some things that you want to look out for when you're hiring a real estate agent. So I think there's like 3,000 real estate agents in the area. I don't know the statistics on how many of those are part-time or full-time, but you want to get an agent that is at least dedicated enough to where they know what they're doing and what they're talking about. Especially if you're a buyer right now in this market, a lot of these homes that you're putting offers in on are going to have multiple offers. You're going to want an agent, especially on the buy side, since it doesn't cost the buyer any money out of pocket to have an agent. Pick a good one, pick the best one. Just like if you were in a lawsuit and you're hiring an attorney, if you could afford the best attorney, would you take a free attorney? You probably wouldn't. So make sure you have somebody that's going to negotiate for you, know the ins and outs of contracts, have gone through this process. Our team sold over 60 houses last year. Our goal is to do 84 this year. We sell houses on a daily basis. We're negotiating contracts. So just make sure that you have an agent that knows what they're doing. That's step one. If you're selling your house and somebody's coming in, make sure that their marketing is going to stand out. Usually companies offer like a general marketing package. Make sure that that agent also does their own marketing and they're not just piggybacking off what the company's doing. Make sure that they're going above and beyond social media ads, that they're really, really out there working for your home and not just putting a sign in the yard and just hoping, some buyers show up. And then, of course, when you sell your house, you have things like the buyer's home inspection and a lot of things that need to be negotiated. It's very, very important to make sure that you have a good agent, especially to get you the top dollar for your home that I'm sure that you want. And another thing just to keep in mind, I know a lot of sellers out there, real estate commissions aren't cheap, that's for sure. But I know a lot of sellers out there, more so than the product or the advertising or what that agent has to offer. A lot of sellers automatically, and it's not their fault, it's just how we function as society, they go right to the price. Don't get wrapped up in that too much. I'll tell you what, whether it's a 0.5%, 1%, or 1.5% difference between an agent that is going to produce for you and one that's just a little bit cheaper, when it comes to selling your home, that $1,500 or even $3,000, whatever the difference is, having that agent that knows how to negotiate for you is going to more than make up for that price difference. So cheaper is not always better. Think of other things or services that you've bought in your life. Usually if you end up going the cheap route, it's not the best route. But anyway, if you have any other questions about finding the right agent or you need my help, give me a call or email me, kyle.evans@huntrealestate.com. Comment below the video. And if you're watching on YouTube, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on the next one.